Since I was going to wash my brushes, I decided to share this process with you. To keep your brushes healthy and last longer, it's a good idea to wash your brushes once a month, because even though they look clean and they come out clean on your paper towel when you wipe them or on your sponge, and you clean them, you know, through with running water after you use them every day, when you use them with soap, you find out they weren't all that clean after all. So once a month, I wash my brushes in soap, in a bar soap. And by doing this, my brushes stay beautiful and they keep that nice, beautiful point so much longer. See how dirty this was? So what I do is I just keep on washing the brush, just like when you're washing your hair. You keep on washing the brush until it comes out squeaky clean. And what I'm doing is I'm rinsing it in clean water. And see, now it's coming out clean. And doesn't it look beautiful? And then what I do is I take it to running water. And I run it in running water until all the soap is out of it. See, we'll do this again. I'll show you here. See? It's clean, right? There's nothing coming off on the paper towel. But now I'll wash it with soap. And oh my goodness, look how dirty that is. And this one was even dirtier, because my quinacridone magenta and the pinks, I think, really get into these brushes. And they kind of stay in them. So you just swish it around just like if you were washing your own hair. Twist and turn your brush. Don't scrub too hard. You don't want to damage your bristles. But I do this once a month, and then of course I wash them out at the sink every night. But see how much you leave behind when you wash out at the sink if you don't use soap. Amazing. So I just thought I would share this process with you, and hopefully you can save some money on your brushes too, because we spend a lot of money on these brushes. You want them to last if you spend a lot of money. I mean, you have your cheap ones too, but even your cheap ones you want to take care of. See? Hope you found it useful.